To our soldiers today in Iraq and Afghanistan, and for the last 10 years, the Apache means savior.
Sometimes called the ground soldier's best friend, the Apache attack helicopter has been on the front lines of every major Allied conflict since 1983. Now, the first Apache Block 3 is rolling down the assembly line in Mesa, Arizona.
Everybody's pretty pumped up, and we're really looking forward to getting that first delivery and showing everyone that we can get this completed and get all the way through production.
The U.S. Army is planning to remanufacture 690D model Apaches into Block 3s.
It brings some new power and performance. We've got some improved engines, we've got a new transmission, we've got a new main rotor blade, which really improves the performance of the aircraft considerably.
Burke calls the newest Apache a quantum leap over its predecessor. Lean production techniques, a streamlined design, and lots of employee involvement make the aircraft easier to build and maintain.
We expect the Block 3 production process to go much smoother. The wiring is simpler, and some of the improvements that they've made and some of the testing and things like that should go a long way to building the product.
Because of the improvements we've continued to make in this aircraft over the past 28 years, today it is the #1 weapon of choice in the street fights in Baghdad and Afghanistan.
The first Apache Block 3 delivery is slated for October 2011. That's 28 years and 1 month after the very first Apache was delivered to the U.S. Army. And that A-model Apache was delivered 1 month ahead of schedule. Apache Block 3 is also generating a lot of international interest.
So Block 3 continues to be a very desired platform from a number of international customers. Our first international customer is already on contract, and we're going to deliver that next year.
The U.S. Army has said it plans to keep Apaches in the air through the year 2040. A comforting thought for the troops on the ground.
They feel secure if Apaches overhead. In fact, they got an old saying, if the Apaches are flying, we ain't dying.